Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change payment method on Uber. To change your payment method on Uber account, first of all, launch open the Uber app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account and you are also connected to the internet. Once you're inside the main homepage of Uber, go ahead and click on the account button at the bottom right corner. After you open up this menu, go to the top of the screen and tap on Wallet. After you select Wallet, click on Add Payment Method. Now select whether you'd like to add a debit or credit card as your payment method or a gift card. Simply select one of these options and then enter your credentials. If you've selected debit or credit card, enter your card number, the expiry date for the card, CVV code, and then the postal code. And after you are done, finally click on Next at the bottom. If you want to add a gift card as your payment method, click on Gift Card and enter your gift card information in the text box. Simply select any one payment method and enter the details and click on Save, and you'll be able to change your payment method or add a new payment method on Uber. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.